Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing our house lunch menu, one new recipe in it, and also I will be sharing my personal experience of visiting to an open house of I.N Style boutique. It's a small business, not paid promotion over here. Just I am sharing my personal review to help them out in this business. That's it. Watch the video till the end as it is going to be very interesting and very helpful too. Now let's get started with making of our lunch. For that I am going to take lamb chops. First we will make lamb chops. I have taken nice 1 kg of lamb chops. In that I have added 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon of yogurt and all the spices, that is chili powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder, garam masala powder, salt to taste and lemon juice. Nicely give it a good mix. How I will be cooking is marinate it in the morning itself. In this I will only add little bit of oil and water. That's it. For our next recipe, I have taken Kashmiri red chilies. You have to take 10 to 15 and nicely clean it and wash it and soak it in hot water for at least half an hour. That's what I'm doing it now. Look at the lamb chops. I have to just add little bit of oil and half a glass of water and start cooking it. Keep it on low flames on stove for approximately 45 minutes. In another pot, I have taken enough oil. To that I have added chicken cubes. I have taken breast pieces and now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and salt to taste. Nicely give it a good stir and this chicken is going to release its own liquid and it will get cooked in itself. We will keep the flames low medium and cover it and cook for some 10 minutes. Until then, let's prepare puree for making this chicken thigh curry. I have taken in a blender that soaked Kashmiri red chilies, handful of coriander leaves and 1 full lemon juice. Also you should add lemongrass if you find it in your local market, and handful of cashews. Nicely make it into fine paste. I have kept ready the bell peppers and also some carrots. Now you can see I am adding that ground paste into this chicken and nicely give it a good mix. As we have added handful of cashew, add enough water. Carrots will take little longer time, so that I am just adding carrot now itself and cover it and cook. Until then I will show you all the other ingredients. This is coconut milk. You are free to use fresh coconut milk or even milk powder. Coconut milk powder will come, right? That also you can mix it in water and prepare the coconut milk. Now after 5 minutes I have added the colored peppers and the coconut milk. Always remember, add enough water as there is cashew. Every time it will become thick. While I was preparing this curry, one of my son wanted paneer also in it. That is why I am adding. Otherwise, this is not in the recipe. You can prepare separately paneer thigh curry, like that you can prepare. But I am mixing it together. Otherwise, the recipe today I am sharing is chicken thigh curry. Now almost the curry is ready. Always when you add paneer, it is only 2 to 3 minutes. Do not cook more than 2 to 3 minutes. The paneer will become rubbery and stretchy. Adjust the salt and cover and cook for only 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Our Thai chicken curry is very much ready. You can keep this curry a little liquidy itself, because as it cools down it will become more thick. I am going to serve it with white rice. And always I am a low carb lover. I had also prepared cauliflower rice. I will show you how I will just add into the recipe or the plate, or in plating I would say. Even the lamb chops, I had been keep on watching on it. In between you have to keep on stirring it. You can see now our lamb chop is also very much ready. Our curry is ready. Let's start plating. Always whenever you prepare hearty meal, you just do not forget this kind of salad. It's a fresh salad, very simple. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers and also some of the colored peppers. This is the most healthiest way of filling up your plate. Definitely keep salad in every meal. Today I will not be giving any seasoning to this salad, just simply plain salad only. I have not even added salt. Look at the way I am going to serve. Any food you make, even if it is not very tasty, the way you serve matters a lot. See the cauliflower rice, how I am covering up. I am going to cheat myself. Very little rice and more of cauliflower rice I am adding in, as I am a low carb lover. It is only just I am giving an idea for people who want to follow this kind. Otherwise, simply full white rice itself you can take for plating like this. Very beautiful way of serving food. Your family will love it. More and more the taste will double by just seeing your plate itself. Isn't it not beautiful? Definitely leave a comment if you like the plating. You would have seen I have not used any onions or tomatoes, yet very delicious, tasty and creamy chicken thai curry. It's a must try recipe. Sure, give it a try. Weather is very pleasant. You can see how nice, beautiful flowering bushes over here. It's a nice sunny weather, and I'm going to go for an open house. It is I.N Style boutique of my friends. I'm just helping out for them to show it to the Brantford community, how they have their boutique set up. Very nice collection, all variety of clothes, latest and even simple dresses, as well as even some grand nice jazzy dresses too. Even for party wears, for get-togethers, you will have lot of deals there. Even for this open house they had kept some deals too, and they had even better offers. They have clearance section as well. I went very early to their boutique. They had even gifts for first 3 people who will be coming, and even offers for the first comers. Very beautiful jewelries, purse, accessories you will also get over there. They have beautiful variety of jewelry as well as ready to wear clothes. You can always check out over there. They showed me so many dresses of theirs very patiently. Nice customer service. Each and every dresses they have in small, medium, large, as well as in multiple colors too. Whenever people call for any open house of this kind, either it be for jewelry or clothes, definitely don't miss out if you have to buy. If you go early, you will get some or the other gifts too. They all keep some kind of offers also for the first comers. Everybody can avail those offers. Nowadays chicken curry is very much in the market. You can see beautiful chicken curry dresses were also there, and even so many different variety. It was very new to see too many different simple varieties as well as even grand dresses were there. You will be seeing. As I was the first customer of the day, even I got a gift. I will definitely share with you at the end what gift I got. All these dresses what you're seeing now is their own custom made dresses. You will see the tag in those dresses. They will have it as I.N Style. It is custom made dresses in their own warehouse, I believe. All these dresses come directly from Pakistan, stitched in their own warehouse in their custom made tags. You can see I.N Style over here. Like this, they have made even nice fancy dresses as well as even simple tops also with the which you can use for regular uses and all, right? Like that also they have so many collections. Prices are very reasonable and affordable too. These kind of nice jazzy lehengas with different colors and variety of designs they have. I just can't keep showing you each and every piece they have. They have multiple designs, see this dupatta. It's a very viral piece. Everybody in Facebook, Insta, everywhere you can see these kind of masterpieces being sold nowadays. Once again, I must remind you all that this video is not at all paid promotion or any sponsorship, or I am going to get any offers or discount out of this video being telecasted on my channel. Just it's a kind gesture to our friends who are doing small business and they will be getting benefited. If it is from my channel, I am very happy too. If you are living in and around Brantford, then you can sure give a visit to I.N Style boutique. I will leave their phone number in the description box. Sure, you can take the benefit of all the offers they give. Especially during the time of Eid, you will have great prices, different variety and nice discounts as well. If you go and tell that you saw the video in my channel Live Tasty Be Happy and you have come, definitely they will give you a special discount as well, I believe. When I visited their boutique, it was a great time, very nice, checking out all the dresses. The dress already I am wearing is also from I.N Style only. I bought few jewelry also over here. I was their first customer and I got a nice gift too. Last clip which you will be seeing is the gift which I got. Hope you all enjoy watching this video as well as like the recipe too. Sure, give a try and leave me a comment whether you like the recipe and how about this I.N Style boutique. Also, soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.